Now next part. Inhale up to the navel center, but this time simply hold the breath inside the stomach. Yes, up to the navel center and then hold it and focus over the navel center or over the kundalini urja. Simply holding the breath inside the stomach and after that exhaling through the nostrils again. Yes, Antar Kumbhak. We simply have to add this holding part. Inhale. Try to lead our breath towards the navel center. Fill the stomach with the breath. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now exhale. 2 times more. Focus on yourself. 2 times more. Deep breathing while holding the breath inside the stomach. Inhale. Hold. Focus. 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 Now relax. Exhale through nostrils again. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Focus over the Kundalini Urja, over the Manipur Chakra, over the Nabhi Kendra, over the center of solar plexus. Focus while holding the breath. This time hold up to your own individual capacity. It might be 5 counting, it might be 7 counting, or it might be 10 counting. Understand your own capacity and hold it up to that level. Focus. Focus. Now exhale and relax. Breathe normally, breathe normally, breathe normally. Next part, inhale up to the lungs and try to focus over the very part of heart or the very chakra of heart, center of heart. Start. Inhale, fill the lungs, hold the breath, Antar Kumbhak, and focus over Anahat Chakra, Anahat Chakra, Anahat Chakra, Anahat Chakra, Anahat Chakra, Anahat Chakra, center of heart, center of heart, center of heart. Exhale. Again, inhale, fill the lungs, hold the breath, focus over center of heart, hold the breath up to your own individual capacity, but continue the focusing part over the center of the heart. Focus, 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 focus. Now relax while exhaling through nostrils again. Last one, the same activity. Try it your own. Now don't listen me. Listen to yourself. Observe your body. Observe your mind. Observe your breath. And observe your center of heart while inhaling and holding the breath inside the lungs. Start. Inhale. Hold. Focus. Focus. Center of heart. Anahat Chakra. Anahat Chakra. Observing the center of heart, looking at through the mind towards the center of the heart. Yes, the mind is looking at towards the heart center, towards the Anahat Chakra, observing to the center of the heart. Now exhale. Relax. Breathe normally while observing the center of the heart. Now breathe normally and again turn your focus towards the breathing. Yes, inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation. And we are simply an observer, drashta, sakshi in this very moment of present, now and here. Simply observe the breath. Inhale. It might be come to the navel center. It might be come to the center of heart. We simply have to observe. We simply have to move with it wherever it goes, up to the navel center or up to the lungs. But simply have to observe, be with the breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Breathe normally while focusing the breath. Make yourself relax, in tune with body, breath and mind. Make it more harmonious. Command your mind that I am focusing the breath to make it more healthy, harmonious and balanced one. To live this very life in the present moment, now and here, with its maximum level, with its higher level. Yes, not the 100%, but the 110%. Yes, that extra 10% lead us towards the divine unknown. It may open the door of ultimate concern, but we have to lead ourselves, whatever we have, body, breath, mind, intelligence, emotions, whatever we have to gather it, align it, make it in togetherness and lead these all as a one element towards the divine unknown through the thread of breath. Inhale and exhale. Relax. Relax.